Today is Monday, April 21st, and today I learned to just stay calm. Stay calm in whatever you're doing. First example I have of this is that when I was driving, I was kind of being dumb, and well, I wasn't actually driving, but I parked, and like the key wouldn't come out of the car, and I was like, got really stressed about it. But really, the car wasn't in park. Basically, I was just being dumb, and if I just stayed calm, and all I needed to do was stay calm, like once I calmed down and just realized what was happening, I was like, oh, it's literally just not in park, and it's like a simple fix, right? So there was that. But also just like in sports, like I had a softball game today. I was just trying to stay calm and stay relaxed and just have fun. It just made it was better. But honestly, one of the main things that I was trying to apply today was just giving other people the benefit of the doubt and not overthinking and not stressing so much about what other people are saying or doing, because in reality, like, it's probably some external thing that doesn't have to do with you that's making them act or say a certain way or say a certain thing, think a certain way or say a certain thing, right? Because like one of the biggest things that has always stuck in my mind is hurt people, right? So whether or not that hurt is coming from you or from something else, more often than not, hurt people. So if someone hurt you and they didn't realize it, then like give them the benefit of the doubt. Like maybe they had a bad day, or maybe they whatever, right? And don't just assume and don't just think badly of them, right? And just stay calm in that way. Don't get so worked up about this thing. But more often than not, I need to just stay calm, because a lot of times I'll get stressed or anxious or overthink things that I don't need to be stressed or anxious or overthink about, or like overthink. And so for me personally, I just need to focus on staying calm. I think that's the thing that's been missing, like what I want future me to be like. Being just calm, like calm delight. Calm delight, or that's the definition of joy. Joy, like the word, it means calm delight. And that's really what I need to be. I need to be calm. And it's funny because that's Joy is literally my name, so it's a good reminder, right? But I need to be calm, not get so worked up and stressed about these tiny things, not get so worked up and stressed about other people, not get so worked up and stressed about the situation I'm in, not get so worked up and stressed about a game, right? To just stay calm and a calm delight. So don't be negative, but just be happy. But happiness doesn't always need to be so like extravagant and like big, right? It can just be calm delight, which is joy. And I think that's honestly a very Christ-like attribute. When I imagine what Jesus was like, and also like what we know from the Gospels and from the Bible, I just imagine him being very calm, right? He calmed the storm. He was calm in that, even though that's like a pretty stressful thing, right? He was calm in everything. And I think that is kind of what I need right now. I just need to be calm, not get so stressed and worked up in a positive way or a negative way, not get so invested in the highs and the lows, right? Just stay on my baseline with a little bit of positivity for that calm delight, right? For that joy. So that's what I learned today. I need to be calm. I need to live out my name, calm delight. And yeah, that's the word of the day. Be calm. I don't want to keep repeating myself over and over again, but yeah, that's what I learned today. Try to be more calm, be more joyful, be more calm delight. That's what I learned today. Hopefully this video was helpful to someone. If it was helpful to you, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. You can subscribe in this corner. This is the video that I posted yesterday. And if you subscribe, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.